friends, it's Terry. Welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. Today I'm excited. We have our July Glamour jewelry box to do. I always love, as you know, jewelry. Always love showing you the new jewelry that comes in each month for any type of jewelry that comes in. I actually got a new ring on, which you're gonna see in one of my next vlog. This is labradorite, and it's got beautiful little pave crystals along the side. Really, really beautiful ring. So we're gonna get started. You might also see my baby Yoda over here, the child. He is no longer available. I think I mentioned in a vlog he was coming in, and the other one has been scooped up, but I wanted to sit him there because he's so stinking cute. You're gonna see some new products from Scentsy coming up as well. But today we're gonna get going, get into this Glamour jewelry box. This bag is $29.99 a month, and you get 3 pieces of jewelry. Typically the value is somewhere between $75 and $85 a month in product that you get for what you pay. And if you use my code Terry, you're going to get an extra 4th piece of jewelry in your first box for free. So you'll get 4 pieces for the $29.95. So great time to try it if you're interested in adding to your jewelry collection. Now this is fashion jewelry. This is not genuine jewelry, like it's not 14 karat gold. You usually get either a sterling silver or a gold overlay, like a silver overlay or a gold overlay. This one says, summer starts now. What better way to kick off summer than elevating your summer look with some new jewelry? Get ready to soak up the sun, celebrate your sense of style with your summer glamour jewelry pieces. You deserve it. There's our little card for summer. And then inside you have a pouch that says Glamour Jewelry, and it has 3 pieces of jewelry typically in here from different collections. I'm excited to see what I got. I did not pay for this because I do the review. They do send it to me for free. I'm gonna take my jewelry off. That does not change my opinion of the jewelry, although I really haven't found jewelry I didn't like. Sometimes there's pieces that are not me, like if I get little studs, you know, you guys know I like big earrings. Those I'll pass along to somebody who can use them. It doesn't mean that I think they're not beautiful. It's just something I'm not going to wear. But necklaces, anything is game. I like all different types of necklaces. I do not get to choose whether I get gold or silver, and sometimes they have rose gold, so they just send me a variety. I do think you can choose silver or gold. I don't know if they have a rose gold option, but sometimes you do get rose gold items, which I love. That's my favorite. And I think, is this gold or rose gold? I can't quite tell in my lighting here. I think this is gold. Okay, so let's start with these earrings because they're so cute. Let me see if I can find them. Mia earrings by Laurel and Rose. They come on these cute little cards, and here's like a little sneak peek. Rose gold. These are a $24 value. This is nice. It says they're gorgeous glass drop design, are lightweight and easy to wear. They add a perfect statement that go from a day at work to an evening out. Let's try these on. I'm wearing hot pink, so that'll look cute with this lighter pink of these earrings. These are really, really beautiful. Let me hold them up close for you first. And they are very lightweight. They are, oops. They are a little dangle. Hold on. Dropped one on the ground. Here they are. Oops. There we go. Look at how pretty those are. Aren't they beautiful? They are so, so pretty. Maybe they are rose gold. I'm having trouble telling if that's gold or rose gold. I don't know, but I love them. I love pink. That's one of my favorite colors. And you guys know I will zoom in on all the pieces. I'll be doing that at the end. And they do have a little like rubber backing, which I'm struggling to get on. I'm probably making a whole new hole in it. There we go. It does not want to go. This rubber back does not want to go on, but it was on when I got it. There we go. That's perfect. Very, very pretty. I will get a lot of use out of these. I always love when I get pink earrings. I have quite a few different styles of pink earrings, but I have quite a few clothing pieces that I wear. In fact, this light pink will go really beautiful with a pale pink blazer that I own for work. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so let's see what we have next. This looks like a bracelet, and this is the Harlow bracelet. This is from the Sophia collection. and this is $25 in value. It says the Harlow bracelet is an adjustable, easy to wear piece. Its beautiful crescent pendant shines while bringing a dainty and simple look. All right, let's get this out. Now I will tell you, with their jewelry, you do not want to wash in it. You do not want to like shower and keep the jewelry on. Definitely to preserve the beauty of the piece, you do want to take it off when bathing and put it and sleeping and things like that. Oh, this is beautiful. So this is like a slice of a moon. Let me see if I can show you this. So it's a slice of a moon, and then it's got pave little crystals all around it. That's beautiful, like in the background. That's so pretty. So let's see if I can get this on and tightened up all by myself. I don't have anybody here with me today to tighten this up. And another thing about this is a keep subscription. So when you get your 3 pieces each month, they are yours to keep. You do not send them back. So if they are pieces that you don't like or they're not your style, then you can give them away as gifts. But there is the bracelet. That is so, so pretty. I may go outside and take individual photos. So far, I absolutely love both pieces. I really, really like them. Okay, then final piece that we have is from the Madison Parker collection, and it is the Star Bright necklace. This is a $30 value. It says a strand of delicate diamonds makes this a simple statement. This necklace can be paired with any look, providing that extra touch of timeless style. Okay, so I can see the little crystals, and it looks like it's got like little clear crystals on a chain here. Let's get this out. This is a delicate style necklace. Very pretty. It's gonna be a choker style. It does have a pretty long extender. And when you bring it in, sorry I got pen in my hand from the work day, you can see the little crystals. Very, very, very pretty. I still have the tag on the bottom of this ring that I didn't know was on there. That's funny. It's the first time I wore it. All right, so let's go ahead and get this pretty necklace on. See if I can do this by myself. I don't even need more nails because I haven't had my nails done in 5 months, which is fine. I'm letting them breathe. They're very weak though, and they keep breaking on me. All right. So this is gorgeous, but you do need to come in to see it better. So I think this is a good time to zoom in. So let me get to the earrings first. Oh, look at that dirty ear. I took out some cheap earrings the other day and they made my ear green. I don't know how to get that off. Anybody know? Anyway, there are the really pretty, they almost look like a rose quartz earring, like a rose quartz stone, but they're just a beautiful, beautiful pink drop. And then here we have the necklace, and the necklace is got, these are crystal clear little sparkly gems, and I'm sure this is beautiful when you're outside. They're gonna sort of sparkle in the light. Very, very pretty. And then we have a close-up of the bracelet with the little crescent moon. Really pretty. I think the bracelet is one of my favorite pieces, and I really love the earrings. But to be truthful, this collection, I love everything in it. There's not anything here that I don't like. I will be keeping all my tripods. I will be keeping all pieces for myself this go around. So that is my Glamour jewelry box for the month of July, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my code is Terri. I'll have the website link below so you can go. Make sure you use the code Terri to get your free piece of jewelry, and all the details will be in the description box for you. If you have any questions that I can answer about this subscription monthly, then just leave me a comment down below. If you already get it, let me know. If you enjoyed your pieces this month, I think everybody gets the same pieces each month, but I'm not 100%, so I'd be curious to know if you get it, if you got the same items as I did. So until I see you guys all in the next video, you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget on your way out, if you haven't already, to hit the subscribe button and give me a like. It really does mean a lot. It helps my channel grow. I appreciate you guys. Have a good day. Bye.